To record videos to the external storage on your Samsung S26 Ultra, first of all, what you have to do is just to connect this storage into your phone. So you will need a double USB-C cable that support data transfer. And you can of course use the original cable, but if something is not working, well, you have to actually purchase dedicated cable for data transfer. There's a lot of them on the market, so I cannot actually specify which one. And now, when you are connected with your device, to check if you are actually connected properly, go for Files, and here you should find your external storage. Once you actually open it, it means that everything is fine and you can just start recording. And how it actually looks, you have to open the camera, click on this button, go for the settings, now go below, and you have to go for this one, Save to External Storage. Click on this switcher. Now you can also enable Save. So it will actually record into the MP4 format to reduce data loss if USB storage is disconnected. And now when you go for a video mode, you can start recording, and you can find out that it just records because you can find this USB-C extension in the right upper corner. Now, if you open your storage, you should find records in this DCIM folder. You can play this with Google Photos or Samsung Video, and that's basically how it looks.